Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To prepare this amazing hair growth treatment, we will be needing okra as our first ingredient. So here I have some okra that I will be using. First, I'm going to wash them. My okra is dirty. I bought them from my local market, and so I'm going to wash them 2 times in order to get rid of all the dust and impurities. Make sure you wash your okra before using so that you get rid of all the dirt and impurities. So okra is amazing source of mucilage and keratin, which helps to strengthen the roots of the hair as well as helping to soften the hair and preventing dryness. So the next ingredient I will be adding to this recipe is rosemary. I like using rosemary in most of my videos, and every time I'm making hair growth treatment, I like to use rosemary. Rosemary has really helped me to grow my hair. Research shows that rosemary can help to treat chronic hair loss, hair thinning, baldness, and any scalp and hair problems that you have. If you haven't yet tried rosemary, you need to start including it to your hair care routine, and you are going to see changes. If you experience excessive hair loss, you have hair thinning, and you want to increase hair thickness, rosemary is really an amazing herb that you can introduce to your hair care routine. I'm also going to be adding cinnamon. Cinnamon is amazing for increasing hair thickness, treating hair and scalp issues like dandruff, inflammation, and itchiness. If you haven't tried cinnamon, you need to include it to your hair care routine. If you suffer from hair loss, you have hair thinning, and you want to increase hair thickness, cinnamon helps contains antifungal and antibacterial properties, which helps to cleanse the scalp as well as helping to eliminate all the dandruff and flakiness in your scalp. I'm also going to be adding fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is also an amazing source of protein, which helps to strengthen the roots of the hair. Protein in fenugreek seeds helps to strengthen the hair as well as helping to make it shiny and grow faster. So if you've not yet tried out fenugreek seeds, I don't know what you are waiting for. These seeds work like magic. You need to include them to your hair care routine. If you suffer from hair loss, you experience a lot of hair breakage and hair loss, fenugreek seeds are really amazing source of protein. I'm talking from experience because I have been using them. My hair was breaking, and right now it is not breaking the way it used to. So now I'm going to be transferring all the ingredients to a pot, starting off with okra. I'm going to be adding some rosemary. There is no specific measurement. I'm just scooping any amount that will be okay for me. Just use any amount that you want. I'll be adding a few cinnamon sticks. I'm just going to be adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Once I'm done transferring all the ingredients to the pot, now I'm going to be using 2 cups of water. Just use any amount of water depending on the amount of the treatment you want to make. Now I'm gonna give some stir, and after that I'll cover it and I'll transfer to a stove. I'll allow it to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes on a low heat. So you don't need to cook for long because you don't want to destroy the important nutrients. So just 10 minutes are okay for me. As you can see, the gel has already started forming. So now I'm gonna remove it from heat and allow it to cool down for a few minutes and then I will strain out. Just use anything that you have to strain out your liquid. So if you guys are still watching this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing and also give this video a thumbs up, share it to your loved ones and family and friends, and also turn on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Now we strained out the liquid and this is how it's looking like. Now I'm gonna be transferring it to this applicator bottle so I can be able to apply on my hair. This is the bottle that I will be using. Just use anything that will help you to apply the treatment. So this is how my hair looks right now. It is not clean. So before I do the application, I'm gonna take down each twist at a time as I apply. Then I'm going in with the gel or the treatment. I'm gonna start from the roots. I distribute it towards the ends and then I use my fingers to carefully detangle, and then once I'm done with one section, I'm going to twist it back and I'll proceed to the other sections until I complete all sections. There are two ways I like to use this treatment. One, I like to use it as a leave-in treatment. So today I'm going to use it as a leave-in. Once I apply, I'm not going to rinse it out. I'm just going to use a moisturizer like a leave-in treatment or hair butter in order to seal in moisture and to prevent my hair from drying out. As you already know, this is gel, so if you leave it like that without sealing in moisture, your hair can dry out and you don't want that. So once you apply and once you decide to use it as a leave-in, after application, follow up with your favorite moisturizer, and then your hair is going to stay moisturized for a couple of days without drying out. The second way I like to use this is as a detangler or as a pre-poo. So for me, this is a perfect pre-poo treatment I like to use before I wash my hair. So if you experience a lot of tangles and knot when you wash your hair, then you need to use something with slip, and this is where you need to be using okra gel. You can also use flaxseed gel or aloe vera gel if you encounter a lot of breakages and shedding. So using okra gel as a pre-poo will help to prep your hair prior to shampooing it, and then your hair is going to grow long and you won't experience a lot of breakage if you want to retain length. So once I'm done applying the treatment to all sections of my hair, I'm going to apply a leave-in cream or a leave-in conditioner of the camera. So I'll just wait for my hair to dry and then I'll squeeze out the excess um, okra gel, and then I'll apply my leave-in conditioner, and then my hair is going to stay moisturized for a couple of days before I re-moisturize it. We are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share the video to your loved ones, family and friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so you will always be notified every time I upload a new video. And if this is the kind of content you'd love to watch, also leave down a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.